1958 Argus 300 projector model. Take 3. Very smooth. Sounds nice and quiet. Smooth running. Comes with the bulb. I actually sell the bulbs. This bulbs run for about 40 bucks a piece, so the bulb itself is worth quite a bit. This cartridge runs nice and smooth. It's manual. See it on there. There are no slides in here, so you're just going to see blank light. I just want you to see how smooth this runs and operates. And then I'll turn it around to the front. So you can see the lens in the front of the camera. Turn it off so you can see. A 4-inch lens. Argus 300. Very nice little machine. And of course this comes out real easy. Little lip right there. So you can get inside and see the bulb. Change the bulb right there in the center. That's the bulb. Easily just set that back on. Just sits in place. Very nice design. And once again, I'll turn it on for you. This is the Argus 300 from 1958. Slide projector. And that was take 3. Thanks for watching.